Well, we're in the backyard today. It's Labor Day weekend, and what could be more fitting than hot dogs on the Blackstone Griddle? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to get just a quick shot of some canola oil and the main ingredient. We got the Blackstone set to low. Let's get them going. There you go. Perfect. We get Trader Joe's uncured beef hot dogs. They're really, really good. These aren't going to take very long at all at this rate, so let's see what happens. So many times we end up eating microwaved or boiled hot dogs. It's really great to barbecue or griddle them because it's a totally different deal. Almost a different meal altogether. I wish you could smell them. You don't get that from a microwave. Okay, those look good enough to eat. Let's do it. Tongs probably a better tool, but this will be just fine. How about that? All right, hot dogs on Labor Day weekend. Pretty darn good. Lynn and I actually prefer bread over hot dog buns. This is not going to be a problem. It's still a good delivery system.
Oh boy, this is good.
Boy, I'm going to tell you, that really beats the heck out of boiled or microwaved hot dogs. That's got a great flavor.